Welcome to Lesson 5, where I'm going to talk a little bit about how to customize your theme. So just to remind you what our blog currently looks like, let me just open it up. And you can see here, again, the default image that was set with this kind of flowery tree background and our blog name at the top. I'm going to show you how to make two very basic layout changes that anybody can do, even without much sort of technical or design experience. So again, I'm back here at the Appearance Themes setting, and we're using the 2010 theme. The two areas I want to point out are, first, background color, and we can change the background to look any way we want. So let's look at a couple of examples. I click on background. Currently we have it set to either clear or white. I can't really tell for sure. You can upload an image to use in your background. So if you want to tile the back with maybe your logo or something, that's something you can try out. Again, with WordPress, try it out. If you don't like it, then just reset it back to where it was. It's really easy to do that. For this demo, I'm just going to show how we can select from a few different colors. So you click on, you can put the code in if you know the color. I just like to select it here. And all you do is you kind of drag your little mouse around to point at a specific shade and a color that you want. And you can just kind of play around. So here I'm on green. Let's try it with like a darker green background and see how that looks. So if I save the changes there, it says to visit your site to see how it looks. I already have the site open, so I'll just go over here and refresh my page. And you can see how the blog would look. I'll just zoom out a little. So the blog would look pretty decent if I was going for sort of a green theme. Let's try it with black as well. So we'll just select color. Just go to the bottom right here until you see it set to 000000. That's the hex code for black. Save changes. Once again, we'll do a refresh and zoom out. So black looks pretty cool too, especially when if you think about blogging, you really want your articles here in the middle to pop out. So if you have a black background, the white area will pop out and stand out more. So I think for this demo, I'll leave it as a black background. And we've now seen, there we go. We've now seen how to change the background image. That's very simple. Anybody can do it. The other thing you can change here is if you look under the Appearance menu, there is a header section. If you remember over here on our blog, the header has this picture with the tree. We can now make it anything we want. If we have a business logo with a tagline we like to use, or maybe you've already done, if we're talking about a business, if you've done display ads in newspapers or other websites, you might already have this kind of artwork done. WordPress is nice enough to tell us exactly what the size of this image is in our background. So it says, or in our header, it says this image is 940 pixels by 198 pixels. So if we want to replace this image with something custom that we've designed ourselves or we've hired somebody to design, we know the exact dimensions it needs to be. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to quickly shut off the camera and go create an image of this exact dimension, and then we'll upload it to our website, and you can see how easily this is done. So I have a new image that I created, just a simple header that we're going to use. All I need to do is click Browse here and grab it from my hard drive. So I've populated it there. I just click the Upload button at this point, so Upload. And what happens is it'll bring up a new window showing you what a preview of what the new header looks like. If the image you created isn't the exact dimensions, not the 940 by 198 in this case, then it gives you a little window where you can crop and adjust to the right size. So if you've never really dealt with image manipulation before, that will come in handy. In my case, it's fine. If I go over to the blog now and just hit refresh, you can see our new header is in there. And so we've kind of customized this to look the way we want it to look. Obviously, we could probably do a lot better job from a graphic design perspective. But you get the idea. And now, if at any point you didn't like what you did at the header or any of the changes, all you have to do is scroll down here. And again, I'm here under Appearance Header. If I scroll down and just click Restore Original Header Image, click on that, it just sends our blog back to what it looked like to begin with. And if I refresh here, you see, there we go again. So this is all very customizable. You can learn to work with it and change your background, your header, or anything else that you feel comfortable doing.